The saying disability is not inability is one that rings lots of bells in the ears of many at its mention, since it has been proved right. At Lutheran School of Special Education for the Mentally Challenged Children, rehabilitation has proved many parents wrong for thinking that their children are a piece of garbage.
These children have got a lot of potentials. What they need is they should be given opportunity to exploit their talents. They need to be educated, just like any other child in the society. I believe after we have trained them, they are given a chance to go out and maybe also interact with the members of the community, where they can now be able to tell that they are useful members of the society after they have acquired the skills.
Many a times the society has subjected the challenge to various insecurities, but Lutheran School for the Mentally Handicapped in Kisumu is among the many special schools that has given hope to majority of whom we happened to meet during this special day when they came together to showcase their skills.
So it was trying to change the perspective of a community that somebody with a disability would be a burden for a family or a burden for the community to somebody who would be of value, somebody who contributes to that family and contributes to that community. And we have seen fantastic work from the young people.
The school provides both therapeutic and basic education, ranging from exercises that engage the brain and also practical education.
We do academics, basic academics, and the work is adapted to meet the standard of these children in this class.
We mostly start, some are not even able to carry some activities like manipulation or communicate. And as we communicate, either through sign language or through body signs, you find that they really develop well.
Many people with disability have proven that they have skills just like any other normal persons. At Lutheran Church in Kisumu, where their Diaconia Compassionate Ministry, a humanitarian service organization, has come up strongly to support this category of people, we meet young women and men with mental disability able to do marvelously well in various industries.
When these special schools children graduate and go back to the communities, they hardly settle in and the integration becomes difficult. Therefore, we came up with a program dubbed Building a Community of Excellence. And this program of Building Community of Excellence is geared towards integrating these children into the community with the skills that they have gained in the school.
We met Lorraine Atieno, a firstborn child in a family of 3 and orphaned at age 10, who was born with both physical and mental disability 23 years ago.
Nilijifunza Nyabondo Rehabilitation Center kwa mwaka tatu. Nimemaliza 206. 207 nikamaliza nyumbani bila kufanya chochote. Sasa kufika 208 mwezi wa 7 nikapata masini kutoka kwa DCM office.
She has defied all odds to emerge as a breadwinner in her family at Nyamasaria, where she lives with her aging grandmother.
Hii kazi yangu ndio inanipatia tamanguo zenye navaa. Sababu hakuna mtu mwenye ambao naweza kutegemea. Nikiwa mgonjwa, hii kazi yangu, pesa ambao nimetengeneza ndio naendanga nayo matibabu.
Lorraine does her sweater weaving job at the workshop within the church compound. This is for the purposes of her security and safety of the machine, which was donated to her by the church. The going is not easy though, as she says.
Hii kazi inalingana na vile mtu ananunua sweater. Kama saizi paketi moja ya uzi yenye inabeba 10 inachukua 350 na naichukua huko town. 350 ukiongezea transport unaweza kuchukua hata 390 unaongezea transport yako. Faida naye iko, lakini mwalimu anataka ukipeleka unachukua muda bila kupata pesa yako, na sweta anataka the right time.
Training develops the mind. I never just regarded.
With the motto "Training develops the mind," Lutheran School reminds us that it starts with me and you. Pride in what we own is what drives us to success, and this means if you expect to discover the potential of your challenged child, expose the child and you will never regret it. Lorraine and her colleagues are just a few but an example of what these children are capable of doing to change the societies within which we live. Lilian Atieno, GBS News, Kisumu.